Welcome back to my YouTube channel, where today we bring you an exciting and detailed update on the all-new 2026 Toyota Sienta van, a model that has been creating a lot of buzz in the automotive world. This latest generation of Toyota's practical and versatile van combines a fresh modern design with advanced features, offering a perfect balance of comfort, efficiency, and functionality. The 2026 Toyota Sienta is designed with families, businesses, and adventure seekers in mind, delivering flexibility for different lifestyles while maintaining Toyota's well-known reliability and fuel efficiency. The exterior of the 2026 Toyota Sienta has been reimagined with a sleek, contemporary look, featuring aerodynamic lines, a bold front grille, stylish LED headlights, and a compact yet spacious structure that makes it easy to navigate through city streets while still offering generous interior room. Toyota has crafted this van to be both practical and eye-catching, ensuring that it stands out on the road while delivering excellent performance and fuel economy. Its sliding doors make passenger entry and exit effortless, even in tight parking spaces, adding to its everyday convenience. Step inside, and you'll find an intelligently designed cabin with a focus on comfort, technology, and space optimization. The 2026 Sienta offers flexible seating arrangements with multiple foldable and removable seat options, allowing you to maximize cargo space when needed. Premium upholstery, a user-friendly dashboard, and high-quality finishes give the interior a refined yet functional feel. The latest infotainment system comes with a large touchscreen display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, multiple USB ports, and enhanced Bluetooth connectivity to keep everyone entertained and connected on the go. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Sienta is powered by a highly efficient engine, available in both hybrid and gasoline options, depending on market availability. The hybrid model delivers exceptional fuel savings without compromising on performance, making it an eco-friendly choice for those who prioritize sustainability. Toyota's engineering ensures a smooth and quiet ride, with responsive handling and a suspension setup designed to absorb bumps and maintain stability across various road conditions. Safety has been a top priority in the development of the 2026 Sienta. Equipped with Toyota Safety Sense, it includes advanced driver assist features such as pre-collision warning with pedestrian detection, lane departure alert with steering assist, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. These technologies work together to provide peace of mind for both the driver and passengers. Overall, the 2026 Toyota Sienta van is a versatile, stylish, and feature-packed vehicle that caters to a wide range of needs. Whether you are a family needing extra space, a business owner looking for a reliable transport vehicle, or an individual who loves weekend get